It's a very light sprinkle. It's nice.
Dobrodošli v naši samopostrežni trgovini.
Hi! So today I decided to be a tourist in my own city. So I think it's about to get interesting. Let's go. So recently on a Sunday, I finally had some time to myself and I decided to explore the city I used to live in from a perspective of someone who visits only twice a year. I wanted to see how much my feelings would change now that I'm just a tourist. I love to come here during early mornings when the sound of the city seems calmer. Here's an example of what you can miss if you don't pay attention to your surroundings. It is this hologram of Europe tucked between the trees close to the train station. It is composed of 27 stone pillars for the 27 member states of European Union and 1 stone for Ljubljana, the host of the project. Clearly, it's also a hangout spot where people don't acknowledge a trash can that is right beside them, and that kinda pisses me off. Leave no trace, people, come on. This part of Ljubljana has its own weather. At least that's what it's called. It's a sprinkler system that disperses water from the top, and it basically looks like it rains over there. It seems to bring lots of kids joy as well as adults, considering we have been dealing with a pretty intense heat wave. But in my opinion, the species that love it the most are probably birds. One place in Ljubljana that always makes me smile is Križevniška ulica, or Križevniška Street. It's a street filled with plants and benches of wisdom. I have noticed way less plants outside this time around. I'm assuming it was way too hot to leave them, but nevertheless, it was so relaxing to walk through it. Something new that wasn't around last time I visited is Refusal. At least I think that's how you pronounce it. Which is a store in a container that it's open 24 hours. You can find all kinds of local products here, spreads and juices, even fresh bread, ice cream, smoothies, kombucha, flour, and even toilet paper and paper towels. They also have pastries if you're early enough, but they were out of those when I visited. And they also have cleaning supplies that use plastic-free packaging. I got myself a kombucha because I was in need of a small dose of caffeine.
Hello. For unpackaged goods and products without please tap the Pay button to continue. Please wait until the card reader displays the amount and follow the instructions.
This place isn't the only one you can get supplies 24/7. There is a vending machine with pharmacy products. You have an egg vending machine from local farms, and a yogurt and sandwich machine with local ingredients. That makes it a lot easier to support local suppliers, which I think is very important even if you're a tourist. I've been up since 3:50. I was supposed to catch the sunrise. Oh, by the way, look how gorgeous. I was supposed to catch the sunrise here, but as per usual, Slovenian public transit is going through renovations. So I had a connecting bus to a connecting bus. So I missed the sunrise, but it's okay. We're still making the most out of it. It is currently 9:20 a.m. It is 26 degrees Celsius. It's supposed to be 34 today. We're having like a heat wave. I think entire Europe has it. But yeah, we actually had severe heat warnings. Supposedly some parts are gonna get up to 39 degrees Celsius, which is insane. So I'm already sweating. We're doing this, we're making videos, we're filming finally. I haven't filmed anything for my YouTube and for like myself in a very long time. So it's good to be back. Now let's go to the castle. We're going up there and I'll see you at the top. It's interesting coming here during different seasons because it is insanely green. Last time I was here, it was very naked because it was January or December. I don't remember. I'm a poet, did you know it? And now I can't see shit, but I think it's green. Yep, green. Look at this greenery. It's insane. Green, green, green. I think my favorite part about Europe will always be the red roofs. There's just something about them that makes me feel so good. You can tell that the heat was getting to the city since the view from the castle was extremely hazy. I was luckily there before the first round of tourists arrived, and around 10 a.m. it got extremely packed, so I went to hang out with Moss instead. One thing I cannot resist is used bookshops. I shouldn't be allowed to stop at any used bookshop because I will buy something. And would you look at that? I bought 2 heavy books, as if I am not hauling 6 kilograms of equipment, journals, and snacks with me already. They happen to be very good books, so no regrets. And as it fits the European fashion, I ordered a cup of coffee and stayed for about an hour and a half, just reading, relaxing, and enjoying life. You should definitely give it a try. One thing that caused quite a lot of arguments in Ljubljana between locals and people all over Slovenia is the water sculpture that was finished in May of this year. The aim of this project was to contribute to cooling of the city, revitalizing the space, and raising awareness about the importance of drinking water and environmental values. So the water circulates and it is not suitable for drinking. I've seen quite a lot of people fill up their water bottles there. Please do not do that. Reason for this discussion was that they paid 700,000 euros for this fountain. But now it has appeared on the internet for 3,000 on Alibaba, which is a place for many replicas of other water fountains and sculptures all over the world, so we are not really the only ones. It's green. And I'm pretty sure, yeah. Ooh, Oh my lord. Ooh, this is not good. Oof, oof, oof. Definitely got sunburned and also burned from strap and these straps because I've been carrying this for all day. It's 34 degrees Celsius. I had to go sit down, otherwise I might perish. Haven't really filmed a lot in the last hour. I've just been fighting for my life. Everybody's just like sitting in shade. The center of the city is pretty empty. Nobody's like walking around, obviously, because it's the asphalt. It just makes things so much worse. I am touching some grass as we speak. Literally what my head says. It is too freaking hot to continue. I am a baked potato at this point. I need to hydrate. And figure out what else am I gonna do today. Yeah. After my little rest in the park, I was kind of done with the heat and decided to board the bus to a place somewhere cooler. And that's the beauty of being a tourist in your own country. You can't just leave.